Welcome to the fascinating world of the brain's tiny defenders and the complex orchestra that keeps our minds ticking smoothly. Today we're embarking on a lighthearted journey through the marvels of neuroimmunology, genetics, and all the players that influence our mental health and aging brains. Let's talk about something called immunosenescence, fancy word for how our immune system gets a bit tired as we age. Imagine your immune defenses as a vigilant security team that gradually slow down, making us more susceptible to infections, trauma, and even toxic substances like pollutants or food additives. These challenges can throw the balance off, leading to something called neuroinflammation, a friendly fire in the brain that, left unchecked, can contribute to diseases like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, or multiple sclerosis. The brain isn't defenseless, it has its own special guards, microglia and astrocytes. Microglia as the brain's resident cleanup crew, constantly patrolling for troublemakers like misfolded proteins, dead cells, or invading pathogens. Astrocytes are like the supportive staff maintaining homeostasis. It's the brain's way of keeping everything stable and functioning smoothly from neurotransmission to hormone release. They also help form the blood-brain barrier, a sort of high-security fence that shields our precious neural tissue from toxins, bacteria, and viruses. Infections and trauma can throw the brain into chaos, triggering inflammatory responses. The immune system gets a bit overenthusiastic, mistaking healthy cells for enemies, leading to neuroinflammation, neurodegeneration. The story gets even more intricate when we consider misfolded proteins like beta amyloid or alpha synuclein. Our brains are not just shaped by these biological defenses, they are also profoundly influenced by our genes, epigenetics, and early life experiences. Your genome, the complete set of 23 chromosomes and 6 meters of DNA, are a vast library of instructions. Tiny variations called single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs, can influence how we respond to stress, toxins, or infections. Epigenetics acts like a dimmer switch, turning genes on or off based on life experience, prenatal neglect, living in poverty, exposure to environmental toxins can leave epigenetic markers that impact mental health for generations. Lifestyle factors, chronic stress, or toxic environments can lead to biological perturbations affecting neurotransmission. The way neurons talk to each other. Neurotransmitters like dopamine, serotonin, norepinephrine, and GABA are like the brain's messaging apps regulating mood, attention, and survival. So whether it's a tiny nucleotide change in your DNA, a stressful childhood, exposure to pollutants, or a bacteria in your gut, each factor contributes to the incredible, intricate story of brain health. Good news, with advances in precision medicine, we're starting to tailor treatments that consider this complexity and for healthier brains and happier minds. In the end, our brains are resilient, dynamic, and beautifully complex. They're shaped not just by our genes, but by our environment, experience, and even the microscopic communities within us. So take care of your brain, feed it well, stay active, manage stress, and remember, you're a marvelous mosaic of biology and experience, forever adapting and evolving.